everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I made a butter pepper corn, sweet corn, which is so simple to make but very tasty. So at first I bought this corn. This is sweet corn, not the regular corn. These sweet corns are like extra sweet than the regular corn. So the regular corn you can roast and eat, but this sweet corn can be steamed and eat. So first I'm going to peel off the corn. So in the market you do also get those peeled corn in the packet, frozen one or the regular one, but now here we are getting this fresh corn. So I bought the whole fresh corn. Now I'm going to peel it off. So if you do not have time, you can bring those peeled frozen corn or the normal corn. So here I have peeled the corn and I am not going to make full. So I am just going to make half of the corn because only I am going to eat. So peel the corn nicely and now I am going to steam it. So friends, for steaming in a pan I have put 1 cup of water. I am not going to boil it because when we boil most of the nutrients of the food goes away and then it becomes watery. I don't like it. So I like my veggies or any other things which to be steamed, but I like to be steamed rather than boiled, like sweet potato, corn, etc. So while it is being boiled, I am going to chop one onion. So I do not need any more vegetable, only one onion. So I'm going to chop it. So friends, please if you like my videos, please do like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Also don't forget to comments like how you find my videos and if I do need to improve anything so that I can make better videos. So I do make South Indian dishes as well as Bengali dishes. So I'm going to chop this onion. And so friends, please when you feel like eat some snacks rather than buying from outside, like we can make it. This is so simple, you hardly need any ingredients and yet very tasty and healthy. It's not any ingredient. So home food cook is always healthy, nutritious and without guilt we can eat. Though corn has lot of carbohydrate, but sometime you can eat as a snack. So the corn have been steamed nicely. Now I am going to add here little bit of salt, pepper, and then chopped onion. And then I need spread here little bit of butter. So the butter is the main ingredient of this corn. The butter will give a very nice flavor and taste to the corn. That's all. You don't need anything else. I'm not going to put any lime or anything because I don't like to eat it sour, this corn. So see, it's almost done now. So friends, please do make this simple butter peppercorn and eat at home. You can also serve it to your guests. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day everyone.